So Jackson was watching a movie and got really quiet over here. I came over and found this. Earlier I sat down and was watching the movie with him for a little bit after I laid Harrison down, and he rolled over and snuggled on me and he said, "Isn't it time for bed?" Hey there. Harrison. Harrison. Hey, Sleepy Boo. Harrison. Hi. Did you sleep good? Did you sleep good? I see your belly. I see your little feeders. I see your feet. Hi. Let's see your shirt. Future #1 draft pick. Hi. Peekaboo. Can you play peekaboo? Ready? Where's Harrison? Peekaboo. Where's Harrison? Peekaboo. Where's Harrison? Peekaboo. Where's Harrison? Peekaboo. Oh, where'd you go? Peekaboo. Yeah? There's Harrison. Peekaboo. Where's Harrison? Peekaboo. Where's Harrison? Peekaboo. Come here. Hi. Are you standing up? Your onesie's unbuttoned. Harrison. Harrison, can you say hi? Hi. Say hello. Can you look at the camera and say hello? Yeah, good job. Hello. Hey. Hello. Do you want to go get Jackson? Where's Jackson? Okay. Where's Jackson? Come here. Harrison. Harrison. Hey. Come here. Give me 5. Give me 5. Yay! Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Wave. Bye-bye. Okay, come here. Harrison, who is that? Jackson? Jackson? Hey, look who's got you. Jackson. Jackson. Hey. Harrison came to wake you up. Are you going to give him a hug? Harrison, is that Jackson? Is that Jackson? Give him kisses. Give him kisses. Give him kisses. Oh, here. Harrison. Harrison. Oh. Oh, look at you. Oh. What you doing, huh? Whoops. Yay! Go ahead, Harrison, get down. Good job, Harrison. Get Jackson, get him. Get him, Harrison. Get him, buddy. Hey, wake up, Jackson. Tell him, wake up. Jackson, I see you over there. Careful, don't knock him over, okay? Aw, there's Jackson. Be careful. Harrison. Harrison. No, Harrison. I. Say hi. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Yeah. Say hello. Can you say mama? Yeah, you're done. Okay, all done.